Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are looking at the biggest king sago I have ever seen. That king sago has about a 10-foot trunk height. I'm telling you, it's the biggest one I've ever seen. In terms of height, I have seen king sagos that were multi-trunked, that were bigger in the sense that they were multi-trunk, but I've never seen one with that much clear trunk height. That is an old and very rare tree. Now, I'm a big lover of king sagos. I think they have a lot of usefulness. They are being deluged with a pest problem called Asian scale, but don't let that stop you from getting one. They're excellent trees. It takes years and years for them to get this big, but they stay small for a long time. If you like king sagos and you want one, go to thetreeplanters.com, reach out to us from there, and we'll get them for you. Have a good day.